When a man really desires a thing so deeply that he is willing to stake his entire future on a single turn of wheel in order to get it, he is sure to win. Hi, I'm CS Neha Bajaj and very warm welcome to today's episode of the Daily Self-Love Podcast. In today's episode, friends, I'm going to discuss with you how thoughts are powerful and how they can really lead you to desired results. The line I just mentioned at the start of the episode are not mine, but these are the lines of the greatest inventor of all times, Mr. Thomas A. Edison. And he was quoting this line for an individual who ran into partnership with him just with the thought of getting into partnership with him. Thoughts are reality. Thoughts are things. And they are really powerful if they are mixed with the PPD, the purpose, the persistence, and a burning desire to achieve it. And this is exactly what Mr. Edwin C. Barnes did with himself to run into a partnership with Mr. Thomas A. Edison. When this thought came into the mind of Mr. Barnes, there were two major challenges. First, he did not know Mr. Edison. And second, he did not even have enough money for the traveling expenses to reach to New Jersey. But he just has one major benefit to his account. Well, that benefit was Barnes' desire, which was not an ordinary desire. When he thought of getting into partnership, he did not think, oh, leave it, what's the use? I might get into a sales job. What did he rather say is, I came here to go into business with Edison and I'll accomplish this even if it takes the rest of my life. And the result is in front of us. He did enter into partnership with him at one point of time. So what am I trying to tell you today with this message is this one thing. That adopt a definite purpose and stand by that purpose. Stand by it until it becomes your obsession. Because the reality is, when you don't back yourself up, no one else will. Like the challenges Mr. Barnes were having, these were not ordinary challenges, and majority of people might have dropped their idea thinking of all these challenges where they have trained themselves to know that this is not possible to achieve. But not Mr. Barnes. And so, my message to you is to have a desire so powerful that you aim to achieve that mission which you want to accomplish, become Mr. Barnes of your life, and get into the best of the partnership with your desired results. So with this, I'm signing off for now. Till next time, stay blessed, stay happy and stay self-loved.